I have the name of the winner of the Sportsmanship Award, the very first to be given in the 19-year history of the PBA. None other than from San Miguel Beer, Samboy Lim! Sam, sandali lang. Alam niyo naman may pagkamahiyain itong si Samboy. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the Sportsmanship Award, Samboy Lim. And now, from San Miguel Beer, the SKYWALKER, SAMBOY LIM. Gentlemen, can you move in closer? Another round of applause, please, for your dream team.
He played with dragon-like determination and artistry, electrifying everyone with his devil-may-care attitude on the court, and more often, above it. He never became a real candidate for the Most Valuable Player award, simply because he never did get to complete a full season, following a streak of injuries that would cut his career short. He would play 10 seasons with San Miguel and wind up with a 16 points per game average. But the impact that he has made on the game is nothing short of phenomenal. With pride and jubilation, the selection committee hereby confers the honor of being one of the 25 all-time greats on Samboy, the SKYWALKER Lim.
Congratulations kay Samboy Lim. Tama ka, Nolly. Electrifying talaga si Samboy.
Konting awards, but he was the most electrifying player the PBA has ever seen. Congratulations again, the SKYWALKER, Samboy Lim.
Our next inductee explored the sky during the time it was owned by the imports. His aerial acrobatics became a staple in the PBA as much as his knee-high socks became a fashion statement. His fearless game endeared him to the fans, even if it slowed down what could have been a more stellar career. He endured 10 injury-plagued seasons to every 16 points for San Miguel, the only team that he has played for. Talk about loyalty. He was included in the 25 greatest players of the league, the SKYWALKER Avelino Samboy Lim. Now call Mr. Samboy Lim on stage to be escorted by Mr. Rocky Vihar from Smart Communications. And again, Mr. Pato Gregorio, head of Smart Sports. There we have Pato. after the picture taking, maybe we can hear a few words from Mr. Samboy Lim.